Yesterday at this time in Akron, 28 degrees warmer in Worcester. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast on Future View. The darker red color right there in Mansfield along 71 heading up towards Ashland, indicating some heavier downpours by 8 a.m. this morning. Continues to be the story right through 10 a.m. today. And then as the cold front moves through the area, as we set things in motion, it's just going to be a few scattered showers going into the afternoon hours by 5 p.m. But as we head on into the evening hours, this is where the rain will start to mix with and then change over to some snow showers. The pink color right there indicating a rain-snow mix. We'll transition to all snow past 9 o'clock tonight, and then you can see even a few lake effect snow showers setting up with that wind out of the northwest going through midnight tonight before we dry things out into early tomorrow morning. Back with a look at that full 7-day forecast coming up. Here's Ashley with traffic.